In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the background noise from your audio or video in CapCut. It's super easy and will make your edit sound so much cleaner. So let's get started. First, import your video on the CapCut and drag it to the timeline like this. Now look at the top right hand panel under the audio section. Use the several sound editing tools. Scroll down. Now look for noise reduction or reduce noise. Click it to turn it on. Now CapCut will automatically process your audio and reduce the unwanted background sounds. Now play back your clip to hear the difference. If needed, you can also enhance the voice and normalize the loudness by clicking here. And that's it, your audio now sounds much cleaner thanks to this feature of CapCut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.